Our inspirational speaker for today's event passed the bar exam in 2011 and completed his Master of Laws degree at the Pamantasan ng Lungsod ng Maynila in 2016. Following the completion of academic requirements and the successful defense of his thesis with distinction, he is also a licensed mechanical engineer, having passed the board exams in 1990. Prior to this most recent appointment, he was the chief of the National Bureau of Investigation International Airport Investigation Division. He completed his training at the NBI National Academy in 1999, finishing among the top 10 of the graduating class. He was given the Best Agent of the Year award in 2014 because of his outstanding performance. Additionally, he is also a Career Executive Service eligible and was conferred with the eligibility by the Career Executive Service Board on August 8, 2019, after passing the prescribed Career Executive Service examinations and finding him to possess the required managerial capabilities. His journey working abroad started when he joined the Department of Labor and Employment at a labor attaché on February 18, 2020. His first international deployment was in Abu Dhabi, UAE, where he served our Filipino compatriots during the height of the COVID-19 pandemic and made significant contribution in providing our OFWs thereat with efficient process and services. As the new head of the Migrant Worker Office in the state of Kuwait, he commits to serve the overseas Filipino workers with dedication, excellence, and integrity, and sustain the trust of the OFW community. It is Sambasulta's tremendous pleasure and honor to have our Labor Attaché II, Attorney Manuel M. D. Maano, for the inspirational message.